Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am gonna tell you about Sony Xperia 10 3. In this video I am gonna also tell you about Sony Xperia, the retail price and upcoming price of Sony Xperia 10 and also expected price and the official warranty given by the company, yes or no. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Sony Xperia 10 3. Here we have built-in quantity of OS, Android 11 OS, dimension 154 into 68 into 8.3 mm, weight 169 gram, SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby nano SIM. Color black, white, blue, pink. Here we have in frequency 2G band SIM 1 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900, SIM 2 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900, 3G band HSDPA 850 slash 900 slash 1700 slash 2100, and there are also support 4G and 5G band. Here we have in processor CPU octa-core 2 into 2.0 GHz plus 6 into 1.7 GHz, chipset Qualcomm SM6350 Snapdragon 695G 8 nanometer, GPU Adreno 690. Here we have in display of technology OLED capacitive touchscreen, 1 byte color multitouch, size 6.0 inch, resolution 1080 into 2520 pixel, 457 ppi, protection Corning Gorilla Glass 6, extra feature tri-luminous display. Here we have in memory built-in 128 GB, built-in 6 GB RAM UFC card, micro SD XC card, use share SIM slot. Here we have in camera main triple camera 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 8 megapixel and also LED flash. Features geotagging, touch, focus, face by smile detection, HDR, eye tracking, panorama video, front 8 megapixel. Here we have in connectivity WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11, A/B/G/N/AC, dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth V 5.1 with A2DP LE, aptX SD, GPS yes plus GPS port and GLONASS BDS Glilio QZSS, USB Type-C 3.1, USB on the go, video in output, NFC yes, data GPRS H3G, HSPA 42.2/5.76 MB, 4G LTE-A, 3CA, 5G capable. Here we have in feature sensor, accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, side mounted proximity, audio 3.5 mm audio jack, XVID, MP4, 8.265 player, MP3 EWC slash WIV slash flag players dual speaker, browser HTML5, messaging SMS trended view, MMS email pushmail IM, games built-in plus downloadable, torch yes, extra 24-bit 192 kHz, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, document viewer photo by video editor. Here we have in battery capacity, LiPo non-removable 4500 mAh, fast charging 18 watt, 40 USB delivery quick charge. Here we have in price will be coming soon. So I hope you can like this video, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.